You can always change the settings we went through in Battery. Open Settings. General settings show the status of your application and the date when it was created. You can change the company name, the website address, and the time zone. Choose the option for chat visibility, whether it should be always visible, visible only when there is a conversation, or hidden. Then proceed to the chat widget settings. Choose the icon, animation background, color, and write the caption in the chat widget. You can also connect the links to the social networks, Facebook, Telegram, or Viber. This section offers to choose the position of the chat on your website along with the chat widget indent from borders of your website window. Next, set the name of your chat and write a friendly greeting. Enable the support team evaluation for further analysis of how visitors and users are satisfied with the operator's support. The right background can make the chat look more seamlessly on your website. Tick the sound notifications if you want to draw maximum attention to your communication. Set how your chat will look like and what it will say when you're online and offline. You may not be always available for the chat support. Dashly divides the conversations into new, solved, unanswered, and missed questions. Your team can set the time delay for a question to be considered as solved. The last thing to configure in this section is the timeout before sending a conversation duplicate via email to the lead. The lead will either go back to your website to continue the conversation, or the lead may reply via email and continue talking to you via that communication channel. The script for the installation can be always found here. Copy the script and paste it before the closing head tag. Don't forget to check if the script is installed on the website. If you are using WooCommerce, install Dashly as a plugin. Saved chat responses can be always added in the corresponding section and later be used during communication with leads and users in chat. When sending emails, you can choose a sender that suits better the subject of the email. Add a sender for the right communication. To be GDPR compliant, include a bar on your website to notify about the use of cookies and a checkbox asking for the consent to collect data in pop-ups. There's also a recommendation on the inclusion of the double opt-in function. Double opt-in is an additional subscription confirmation to a newsletter. You can include a notification about personal data collection under every pop-up, triggered and manual. Give a link to your privacy policy and activate the checkbox where visitors should put a check mark in order to answer the pop-up. If you want to add one more website to Dashly, go to Profile Settings and click on My Websites. Click on Add a Website, then choose its type. Add the website address and the company name. Information about your profile, email address, phone number, and Skype ID, along with the added website information, is found in Profile page. And the next section is where you can always change the password. Don't miss any conversation that falls into the inbox. Enable notifications to be sent over desktop, push notifications, and email. Dashly mobile application can be downloaded for iOS device and for Android. If you need more help with setting up and configuration based on your business plans, schedule a demo session and Dashly customer support success specialist will walk you through and assist. To switch between your websites, choose a website from the drop-down list. Notifications can be found on the right of the battery. If you'd like to talk to Dashly support, you can always drop a message in the chat in your admin panel. Dashboard displays the main metrics of Dashly. There are graphs built over a set period of time. These show new active visitors, new leads collected, new conversations, the number of auto messages, and manual messages sent. You can always check your subscription status in the subscription section. That's where you can also see the number of unique users collected and emails sent. This affects your subscription plan. You're welcome with any of your questions about the platform on Dashly website. Dashly offers 14 days of free trial. The written instructions on configuration are also found in Dashly knowledge base. Install Dashly and start growing your business.